really excited how this front lip came out, but first, I gotta show you how I did it.
I don't trust nobody, I don't even trust my mind. I'm losing everybody, they can never take the prize. People always switching sides, people always in my line. Never ask me how I'm doing, they just wanna waste my time. So I don't hate nobody, just stay up.
Welcome back. I'm back in the garage today, and as you can see, I got the color that I need. Well, it is a little bit different. This light is actually not doing this justice at all. Big shout out to Adam for hooking me up on this. I literally just asked him, I need some of this color, and I got some of this color, so we're gonna get right into it. To start, I'm gonna need to actually take off the old one that I just had on here. I literally just put it on, but and it was just black, just long enough so I could take it to Cars and Coffee this morning and get some cool pictures like this one and this one. Shout out to Francisco, shot like this. It was pretty cool, but yeah, as you can see, underside definitely was getting beat up a lot from just from commuting. So we're gonna cover it up again, but first prep.
Looks like it's gonna be a great day today. Get some fresh air like a stray on a straightaway. Hey you, got a light? Nah, a Bud Light. Early in the morning, face crunching like a mud fight.
Loosened the this part, so I should be able to get a little better coverage as I go through and end up trimming after I've got it all there, but good to go.
Some even say you might need some psychiatrist. Doom, are you pondering what I'm pondering? Yes, why would the darn thing be wandering?
Now that I'm all ready to go, all I have to do is cut this, but I also have this knifeless, and what that's going to do is give me a nice clean line right here. Like I said in the last video, I liked how the angle was, but on that side, not so much on this side, so I'm going to try to replicate that. Where's the end? Obviously it is a bit aggressive, and especially in comparison to the line that was here, but in the last video this was the line that I didn't like because it was basically straight up and down. So we're going to send it and we're going to see how it looks.
Greener. Last wish, I wish I had two more wishes. Hell, I wish they fixed the door to the matrix's mad glitches.
Wow, when it's on the hood it actually like, it's pretty darn close now seeing it. Yeah, wow. Alright, I'm going to get this on there. I'm going to start right here, tack it down, and then heat it up and give it a pull horizontally this way. And hopefully it makes all that, the tension run horizontally. Now at this point it doesn't look pretty, but don't worry, I'm gonna see what I can do, and I'm gonna hold these parts up, heat, and set things in. If I heat it, it should just want to sit down. Just like that. So if you notice, I didn't pull down and then shove it in. I actually pulled it up so I could basically let it sit into place. Hopefully that should reduce the amount of air that's all right there. Reached a point where basically when I try to feed this stuff in, it doesn't want to go down. So obviously I can pick this up, heat it, and let it try to sit more. I think I'm just gonna pull this back and give it a little more stretch because I don't think it was enough around this bend. I think I only had enough up front, and so I'm gonna pull it off. It might be the wrong move, but we're gonna see if it is or not right now. pushing it, and I don't want to do that. I wanted to get this stuff to tuck in to this spot first before moving on to the rest, because otherwise I would end up with basically the same thing where I had to really just press it in there, and that's not what I wanted to do. It needed to be able to just sit in with the tension that should have been there. I guess I just didn't pull it enough, so that's where it is. But I ended up then getting to the corner, and I think I was able to feed that in a little better before moving on, so I didn't end up with the same thing. There we go. Basically grabbed those two corners and went out and across.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Just about done with one side.
So how's it looking? Looking color matched or what? Oh damn. That's super close. It was a younger dude driving the car, the one I saw.
Mm-hmm.
License plate literally said is a Kia, so it was IZZA Kia. So I'll be on if you want to get on, or you're gonna get on, or whatever the case may be.
Alright, I will see you on there.
Alright, fine, bro.
Back. Alright, I'm really glad I undid that screw. It made it that much easier to be able to actually get a nice, finish on the top there. I think I'm actually just gonna trim it right there. Alright, so what I've done now is cut little relief cuts here, so I can then heat it and just tuck the top in. There's the time lapse over there for Instagram. So I'm going to do this now, and then we can trim out the rest there. But in order to do that, there's a little thread that's inside the tape, and you just give it a good little tug, and it comes through the green tape. It is separated from the green. Aww. I yanked it, so I have to do it from the other side now. And there it is. Pulled through. I'm gonna fix that on the bottom, but I'm gonna pull that guy out. Boom, there we go. Nice, clean line. Digging that. I like how it looks. Even on the inside, that I had a nice clean finish, even though no one's ever really gonna see it. But all done, and now we just gotta put it back on and step back. Dude, my freaking knees are killing me right now. Alright, let's put this on. All done. Here we go. Get you right there. I still love how this thing just hugs the car. So nice. Big difference between when it was black. I mean, I like it from the top down, so I really need to do the angle on the other side to see it. Alright, that is it for side one. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I've got to move on to side number 2. I am already so drained. My knees hurt, and I'm not ready to do another side, but I do not want to go to work tomorrow and just have one side done. So we're gonna knock it out and pop up on live. So if you're not already following me, sometimes I do random lives, and this is gonna be one of them. Check it out right there. There you go. Let's get it. And we are finished with the other side. Now, all that's left is to pull it outside and see how she looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this. I know a lot of the videos have just been install stuff recently, but I'm going to be doing an actual day vlog soon, but in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. If you're a Forte guy, I highly recommend the Facebook group Fortified. Go on there. There's a whole bunch of other Forte guys that have modified theirs and have a whole bunch of information on it. Definitely check out Not So Low KDM, KDM Sam, Gloom Koup, Broken Fenders, Slow Kia. Those guys, go check them all out. Until next time, have a good one, guys.
Try how looking like Jumanji. Ooh, Tarzan pull off in the Mozzie. Damn, skirt all, then I hit the Manji. Ooh, skirt all, then I hit the Manji. Damn, try how, hey, Jumanji. Damn, try how, hey, Jumanji. Damn, try how, hey, Jumanji. Damn, try how, hey, Jumanji.